Hey guys, today let's learn how to cancel YouTube Premium and get a refund. In the case that you have availed YouTube Premium, how do you basically cancel your subscription and also get a refund? Well, this is going to be pretty easy because when you are subscribed to YouTube Premium, all we need to do to basically unsubscribe and cancel our subscription is to go ahead on this section again, as I did a while ago. So I'm going to tap on my top right corner to access my profile, and right here you should have this option called YouTube Premium. Now, for those who didn't get the YouTube Premium just yet, this is what you guys should see. But for those who have already gotten YouTube Premium, you could always just tap on this section and there will be an option right here for you to cancel your subscription. Now, about getting a refund on YouTube Premium, guys, just like every other subscription like Netflix or Spotify, there's no way that you could actually refund your money if you have already paid for the first month. Now, what you could actually do is to cancel the subscription anytime, but you have to actually pay, or rather the billing statement will actually reflect on your payment method within the month that you have canceled that subscription. So if you have canceled your subscription within let's say July, you're still gonna have to pay for that month technically, because you still have to avail that month instead, and there's no way to basically refund your money. All we need to do is to cancel it and then use the remaining days of that month to successfully remove the subscription altogether, and also don't pay for it anymore. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.